You know, protecting yourself and your computer while you're online is super important. The last thing you need is someone to get a hold of your data, your identity, or even having a virus turn your computer into a fancy paperweight. Well, fortunately, there are some easy ways to build up your defenses against viruses, spyware, malware, and phishing built right into Windows Vista and Internet Explorer 7. Let's take a look at your browser first. And this is a great place to start protecting yourself. Since it's the program that interacts with the content on the web, it's your first line of defense. As soon as you crack open the Tools tab in Internet Explorer 7, you'll see things like pop-up blocker and phishing filter, and we'll get to those in a second. But first, let's go down to the Internet options and then click on the Security tab. The slider here allows you to adjust the security level. The different levels decide how diligent Internet Explorer is when allowing the Internet to interact with your computer. A low setting is going to allow content from the Internet to work easily with your system without interrupting your online experience, whereas a higher setting will be more secure and will interrupt you a little more frequently, checking to make sure that the content is okay to be used on your computer. If you've used the Internet before, then you've heard of pop-ups and cookies. Despite the nasty names that these tools have gained, they aren't all that bad. Some websites require pop-ups to allow you to get the full experience of the site, and some of your more important sites, like your online banking, will need to install cookies on your computer. The question is, which pop-ups and cookies should be allowed? Using the pop-up blocker, you can prevent unnecessary pop-ups, and with a simple click on the pop-up bar, allow the important ones from the sites you trust. Same goes for the cookies. In your privacy settings, you can set the level of cookies that are allowed to be stored and used on your PC, so your personal information doesn't get abused. You should also take advantage of Windows Defender that comes with Windows Vista operating system. It's an anti-spyware program that will help keep your system free from spyware. It's located in your control panel under Security. You can set it to run and update itself automatically, which will keep your computer free of spyware and, in turn, keep your system running smoothly without much effort on your part. Your online security is important, so try to take advantage of the features that protect you and your information.